Broadcast live.
Sawubona.
Yebo njani?
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Mawhoo.
Yes.
Now, ngicala igama liqala libuya kuphi because bengithi ngathi uhlalulele namehlo ama-China amancane so angazi noma who ama-China or who esilungu uthi ubani, you know?
No, Mawhoo is a street name because I used to do this Chinese style. So so it's a Japanese name means magical.
Oh.
And then I got this name from Okmalumkoolkat because I'm basedurban.
Okay.
And some people didn't know how to pronounce my name, how to call Ntobe. Ntobe Gotandek.
Igama lakho maliphelele?
Ntobe elingithandeka. So abanye bengakwazi ukuthi Ntobe mabefika mhlawumbe ngale and then bagcina sengibiza ngale gama. So ngagcina ngisebenzisa lona even ku-music industry.
So where does your journey start from?
Mina bengivele ngicula ngisamncane but I didn't know one day I'm gonna be an artist. But I was doing I think grade 4 or grade 5. And then it was me and my sister. We recorded this song. We did this song. It wasn't like recording Salpala, Situla, and then we asked my mom to tell us something on your radio station. And then when you got there, you understand? So we and then we went to high school in primary and high school, and doing modeling as well, winning also. And
by the way, azange uthi modeling phela uthi bengwina futhi. All you do is win. Carry on.
Yeah. Yeah, so go into kanjalo. And then bengenza teaching UNISA. So after ngiyeke i-boutique shop, I used to run a boutique shop. So one of my friends khona this message we send ukuthi uma studio you need to pay 200 rand, you know. Go into kanjalo and then ngathi okay, let me try. So I asked my little brother ngathi do you know someone ulungs we are recording and then I went to a studio and that's where we recorded like a hip-hop and R&B song that time, yabo. Yeah, and then
18 le ngoma le.
Yeah. It's always in my mind.
Are you rapping? But we rapper boy too.
Yeah, I rap but engage you know.
Wow. Ungeke zishiku eshowini no Slikour ungarepe
like I'm a savage. When I enter, say nigga panic. Hala, bitch and classy. When a bit of me, get a bus. No, but there's a lot of vodka here. This one I don't want to say anything.
Okay.
And also, guys, he's so bad. So, and then in Vagaloko, ngaqala ngenza music. Okay, ngaqala ngapromote like I'm a club online because bengifunda. And then they'll ask me, okay, we're gonna give you 400 a week to promote, like to post only. I'll post. And then there's a time like when I ngenza ingoma like a song with some boys, I forgot their names. So senza nje, you know, me studio ngihamba nalo senza ingoma. And then there is where I got to imabalanos approach before ukusebenza nami, and then ngasigna nabo. And it didn't take long really ukuthi ngisebenze nabo, and then ngadecide ukuthi ngibe independent, ngasebenza nje alone as Mawhoo entertainment.
Okay.
Yeah. And then ngisasemabala ngisebenza with my manager ngingasebenza naye introduce kwena one day. Okay,
yeah.
Yeah, uyena ngumuntu owakhuluma no Heavy K ukuthi okay, Mawhoo, I want ukuthi enze ingoma nawe. So kwaba into kanje sayenza ingoma naye. That's isaqala ke. Ngoqala lapha actually ukuthi to blow up, I think, or let me not say blow up, but ukuthi abantu bang-recognize iqale lapho, yabo. Bang-recognize ingoma engenzile umshado. And then I approach my producers, amaningi, like big producers. I was so excited.
Yeah.
Because they wanted me to do like this African vibe and ngashangala only like
mina mangibheka ngithi mkhamba uyiqeda ukuphuma first year ngadala uphila kodwa awukhuluma kanti unangaki?
I'm very, very old, yo. I'm 28 years old.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's old enough.
Yeah, I'm 28 years.
Okay, that's incredible. So basically, it's been a long journey because, you know, sometimes you look young.
Yeah.
It's not a bad thing, right?
Yeah.
You look young, so people might see and think that, how do you... But actually, there's been like ups and downs, you know?
Yeah, there is.
And you recently just dropped your project now. I mean, just to get to that point, is that through your label? And was that independent?
Independent.
Really?
Yeah, because I signed with Africa a distribution deal with okay, guys. I want to sign. Oh, but I'm label of but I had to choose that. And when I'm gonna be able to talk to someone and then they listen. So ngazukhuluma bang approach Africa and I'm ngakhuluma nabathi guys. If kusentshe ngicela singabe ne-problem ukuthi mase ngifuna ukudropa. Kube khona inkinga ukuthi ngizongilindisa 3 months. Yabo, I don't want to experience this. Ngifuna ukuthi ngifuna ukudropa and someone drop, I drop. Sikwazi ukupushana ngendlela esiphusha ngayo yabo. So just Mawhoo Entertainment with lokuzane and ngidrope under Mawhoo and then Africa distribution yami. Then crispy.
Okay. Didn't you and I'm interested to find out I'm assuming it will be a KZN obviously, and thinking that like you come into Joburg and you might have just jumped on the first opportunity that came that like come sign. What was the things that literally made you feel like no, I don't want to jump on this opportunity? I mean, how are you using that discernment? You know, because abantu abaningi they make mistakes first before. You know what I mean?
I think Nama also did a mistake, but in life sometimes you need to start somewhere. I was happy, like I was good with them, but I decided to no, I just need to have my own thing. Play me one day. If there's something wrong or I'm not getting I will blame myself, not blaming people with guys. Like being a time to so I push the stuff some manage and no one is managing me. Pushing my stuff until using which is a song. And then I'm gigs outside the country and I was so excited.
Yeah.
And then you understand?
Yeah.
So yeah, I have a beautiful heart, but I don't want to depend on someone with every time when for something meaning tell somewhere. Yeah, because it's okay, I can afford my rent, I can afford to do my photo shoots, I can even afford to do music video. So if you are working under someone, you're working under someone, I believe that. So if you sign somewhere, you have to ask everything. For the music video, photo shoots, young kid to born. Yeah, so I want to know. Kefana uzenzela mina nokwenza omunye umuntu because uzocela noba ne problem with this sebenzela ama connections now until I get there. Yeah,
so umuntu ofuna uqala ofana njengawe, like coming from wherever you're coming from, I mean, what would you say would be the advice? And for what I'm picking up is that what must I save for if I don't want to be bossed around? You know, what would you say?
But you start somewhere, you have to start somewhere, you have to be bossed around first, you have to be robbed, you know, you have to get people about to user, maybe using your voice, using your production or whatever until you learn. But don't rush ukusana kakhulu, yabo. But abanye ngithi mina sana because I'm like abana mali, you understand? Abana ngisho imali yokusuka endlini, abana ngisho imali yokuthenga isinko, abana lutho, you understand? It's all yabo akufani nami because mina something ngithola imali, you understand? So it's unlike someone vele. Ngeke ize ngisho ukuthi ungasign ndawo ungeze ukuthi you need help. You need big people, you need abantu abakhulu abazobuild somewhere somehow ekugcineni, yabo. So mina but I believe ukuthi mina just do your own thing. Pusha stuff sakho. If you know ukuthi ungazama uhlanganisa uhlala ekhaya, hlanganisa stuff sakho ungasign under i-label noma asesethile uzama i-distribution like Africa usebenze khona. Do that. Yabo.
So kwamanje ke ngoba so Mawhoo usiswakade kuMaweng ukuphiana manje.
Siswamo.
Angithi thebe tenze demo nesiswakho usaqala. So even Mawhoo siswakho Umaweng ngoba ama-China ngithi ngoba nama-China Umaweng.
She's the one who's managing me right now.
Okay, so you guys have moved up to Joburg.
Yeah, because she's very smarter than me. Like when it's come to like, I mean, deals ukhuluma nabantu, she's very good. Mina nginenhliziyo enhle I just say okay, fine. But yena uyakwazi ukukhuluma nomuntu no. Khamba kanje yabo. So yena ngifike naye la se-manager mina.
So umtshela ukuthi hayi it's mina ngicula sala. Beka incwadi ubamba amafoni.
Yeah, wenza yonke lento so ngiranela everything.
Yeah. So what are the dreams for Mawhoo with this music? Where do you want to take it? What do you want to? What is the top for you?
I want to travel the world. I want to travel the world. Like, there's a lot, Mina. It's so very, very different. Sometimes I cannot say it, but when I pray, when I say something, I know it happens. Sometimes it may take time if you're a praying person, but I know one day I'm going to get where I want to get.
Yeah.
One thing about me, because I know what's making something is always it. You understand?
Mawhoo.
Yeah.
Mawhoo in the place to be. Enjoy her show. We live on the Unplugged. Ngiyabonga.
Nah, thank you.
It's just Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Broadcast live